St. Peter the Apostle Parish Church, commonly known as Loboc Church, is a significant historical and religious site located in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines. It features a Baroque-style facade and bell tower, with intricate carvings and paintings inside. Notably, it houses many religious artifacts, including a statue of the Virgin Mary believed to have miraculous powers. The church has undergone restoration and preservation efforts, especially after being damaged by an earthquake. These efforts aim to conserve its historical and cultural value for future generations. Loboc Church has been designated a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and a National Cultural Treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines. Visiting Loboc Church offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage and history of Bohol, making it a must-see for those exploring the province. It continues to play a vital role in the community and serves as a cherished tourist attraction.